Imagine having a daily guide to mastering life's challenges and unlocking your potential. That's exactly what the Robert Greene offer in the Daily Laws book. This book is a collection of 366 timeless lessons to help you think strategically, grow emotionally, and live intentionally. Green combines wisdom from his best selling books like The 48 Laws of Power and Mastery and organizes them into a bite sized daily reflections. Each day has a theme, whether it's self awareness, relationships, or achieving mastery in your work. What's unique about the daily lives is that it's not overwhelming. You can spend just 5 minutes each day reading and reflecting, making it perfect for people with busy schedules who still want to grow. For me, this book feels like having a mentor in your pocket. Greeny's insights are direct and practical, pushing you to think deeper and take control of your life one day at a time. So, if you are ready to transform your daily habits and mindset, you can grab your copy of The Daily Laws through the link in the description, or you can even listen to it for free with an Amazon Audible trial. It's an inspiring way to start or end your day. Have you started your journey with the daily laws? Do let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching this video.